Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, what happened to me? Your favorite jeans don't fit anymore. Walking upstairs feels like a workout, and no matter what you try, keto, fasting, gym memberships, nothing sticks. You're not lazy, you're not broken. You've just been given the wrong tools. But what if I told you that in just 8 minutes a day, yes, just 8 minutes, you could finally start losing weight from the comfort of your home? No expensive gym, no crazy diets, just real results with a real plan. You see, most people gain weight for one simple reason. They consume more than they burn, and their bodies are stuck in storage mode. It's not about willpower, it's about biology. And the good news is, biology can be hacked. Let me show you how. We're going to use 8 minutes a day to reset your metabolism, melt fat, and feel better than you have in years. Here's your simple zero equipment routine. Do each move for 30 seconds. Rest. Then repeat once more. Start with jumping jacks. Get your blood flowing. Now, squats. This targets your lower body and gets those big muscles moving. Next, high knees. Raise those knees and drive your core. And finish with mountain climbers. Your entire body will thank you later. Done? Take a 1-minute break and repeat. That's 8 minutes total. Sounds simple, right? Because it is. But here's the thing, exercise alone isn't enough. If your diet is full of sugar, soda, and snacks, your fat-burning switch will stay off. So here's what to do. Start your morning with warm water and lemon. Eat protein for breakfast, eggs, oats, Greek yogurt. Make lunch the biggest meal. Focus on veggies and lean protein. Dinner? Keep it light. Soup, salad, or grilled chicken. Avoid sugary drinks. And yes, even the zero-calorie ones. Drink water like it's your job. At least 8 glasses a day. Now let's talk about something nobody tells you about weight loss. Sleep and stress. If you're sleeping less than 7 hours a night, your body holds on to fat like a survival instinct. If you're stressed, your cortisol levels spike, which leads to belly fat, cravings, and burnout. So tonight, power down your phone early. Breathe deep. Let your mind rest. Your body will follow. Listen, you don't need a perfect plan, you just need a doable one. And this is it. 8 minutes a day. Smart, clean meals. Deep, restful sleep. You do this for 7 days, just 7, and I promise you'll feel the difference. If this video helped you, hit the like button so others can find it too. Share it with someone who's struggling. And subscribe for weekly videos that make health simple, real, and achievable.